it's Shy Sarai, and I have recently transitioned from a weight loss channel to a vlogging channel, so please be patient with me as I get my bearings. There might be things I forget to film or like some shaky video, but hey, I'm trying, so let's get into it. Alright, it is October 15th, and I'm about to head out to New Jersey to see some family, and you guys are coming with me. I'm a pretty light packer, just a carry-on and a backpack. Security took forever, and we've been waiting for ages on the runway. I am flying Alaska as always. It's about 5 hours later, and we're about to land soon. Alright, we had a relatively painless flight, and we're at Newark Airport safely and riding the shuttle to our rental car. It's been a few days and we're on our way to Atlantic City. Do you guys gamble? 'Cause I sure do. Oh, there's a Caesars like in Vegas. But we are going to the Resorts Casino.
3 hours later.
Welcome to the Atlantic City Boardwalk. We have been in the casino forever, but we did get lucky. Very grateful for that. I think we might hit up one more place. Okay, you guys, let's check out the Hard Rock Cafe. Oh, this is nice. So we tried to come here to the sugar factory, but it's closed for a private event. How rude. Okay, I know it's super dark, but I could not resist coming to the beach. It's like right here off the boardwalk, and I love water. Love, love, love it. Alright, guess it's time to start heading back. So we don't have White Castle in Seattle, so we made a quick pit stop to try it out. Hey, it's the next day, and you cannot come to Jersey without getting a sub and without getting a bagel. So we came down to the Atlantic Ocean near my grandparents' house. It is just so gorgeous. And I love old houses like this, don't you? Alright, I think that's it for now, but I will be back to share the rest of my trip, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And yeah, thanks for watching.